In this video I am going to show you 5 amazing masking effects in Capcut you can try. So I have 2 footages on the media panel. One is a webcam footage and the other is a gameplay I recorded on my phone. So just drag and drop the camera footage to the timeline. Then go to the editing tools panel, then under video go to mask and select circle mask. Resize and position your mask at where you want. So just use the dots on the edges of the mask to resize them. So now it's time to create the border around our footage. So as you can, our background is black, and you can use that if you want your border to be black. So at this moment, if you want to use a video or any footage, you can just add to the timeline and place your masked video on top. But I will be using a solid color, which I will show you in a moment. So under basic, scroll down until you find canvas. Then click on the drop-down menu, and you will have 3 options: blur, color and pattern. But since I will be using a solid color, I will click on color. And Capcut will give you a whole lot of colors to use. You can also try the blur background and the pattern background, and this is a personal choice and up to you to decide. But I will be use a solid color, so just go to color and select what the color you want. So before we can add mask to our background, unless we create a compound clip. Right click on the footage and select create compound clip. Now go to mask and select circle mask. Now resize and position it at where you want it to be, and also make sure your background color is showing. So if you are finding it difficult with the position, just scroll down under mask, that you can use the position tool to position your mask. When you are done, go to canvas again, then select a green background for your footage, so the background can easily be removed with the chroma key. Then you save your footage. Now import your footage to the timeline. So I am using this gaming video I recorded for this tutorial. Then import your camera footage and add it to the timeline. So now we have to remove the background. So go to remove background, select chroma key and use the color picker to select the green color to remove it. Then you can position it at where you want. So just be creative and use any background you want to use. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. Let's move to the next tutorial. So I am going to use this particular video for this tutorial, so just add your footage to the timeline. Then go to mask and select rectangle mask. Resize your mask a bit. Then under mask, scroll down and find rounded corners. Then use the slider to create your rounded corners. So as you can see, our background is black, so you can't really see the corners. So go to basics, scroll down to canvas, select color and choose any color you want, but I will be using white for this particular video. And this will make our corners very visible for you to see. So you can even create animation with the rounded corners just using keyframe. So move a couple of frames and add a keyframe there. Then move your playhead to the start of the footage and decrease the corners to 0 to create the animation. So this masking effect is very nice and urge you to try it out. Go to text and add a default text to the timeline. Now go to the text area and type anything you want. So I will just type Fusion. Now change the font and resize your text a little bit. Then go to color and choose any color you want, but I will be using orange for this tutorial. Then you make a duplicate of your text, so you can copy and paste, or hold the Alt key on the keyboard, then drag and drop to create the duplicate. So now select your duplicated text and change the color, but highly recommend you choose the same color but a lighter one. And now it's time to add our mask, so we have to create a compound clip. So right click on the footage and select create compound clip. Then when you are done, go to mask and select mirror mask. Now rotate it diagonally just the way I have done mine, then add some feathering to your mask. Then position it at the right side, depending on where you want your animation to start. Then add your first keyframe under position. Now move your playhead to where you want the animation to end, then drag your mask to the right. So this is how to create this shiny text, but you can do same to your logos, car logos and many more. So if you want me to create those tutorial, just comment tutorial in the comment section. Go to text and add a default text to the timeline. Now go to the text area and type what you want, so I will type CapCut. When you are done, change the font, then resize your text. But recommend you choose a bold font, so I am using SQL for this tutorial. Now import the footage you want to use to the media panel. Now make you text a compound clip, so right click then select create compound clip. Now add your footage to the background. Then under basics scroll down till you find blend. Click on the mode drop down menu and select multiply. So as you can see, our footage and the text has been blended together. So you can also resize and position your footage to where in the video you want in the text. Now select the text footage, go to effects. Go to distortion and add water ripple effect to the timeline. Or you can just search water ripple and add it to your text footage. Now play around with the settings until you get what you want. When you are done, reselect your footage, go to mask, then select horizontal mask. Then position it in the middle of the water ripple effect and add some feathering to it. So if you have watched till this point, then kindly subscribe, like and share our videos. So let's get into the next video. So I have these two videos that I will be using. So add the footage you want to change the sky to the main layer. Then add your sky on top of it. So now I will trim my videos so that they have the same duration. Then when you are done, go to mask, then select horizontal mask. Then position it and add some feathering so the edges blends in. Now go to basics and scroll to blend. Select the mode drop down menu, then select multiply. You can adjust your mask again to how you want it. So now we have to adjust both the footages, so our video will look nice. So now select the main footage on the main layer, then go to adjustment, then play around with it until both videos have a similar adjustment. And when you are done, select the second video and add some adjustment. So you can be more creative and add moon, planets, or even fog effect to spice your video. So these are 5 masking effects in CapCut, so let me know your favorite by leaving a comment in the comment section. And also subscribe, like and share our videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.